Alright guys, so today the hair that we're going to be using comes from XTrend. Now they sent me 8 packs of their soft spring afro twist hair in 24 inches. This is in the color 30. Now the packs look like this because it came like vacuum sealed, so all of the hair was like in a small package, so don't worry about that. You guys will get to see the close-up in a minute. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with this style. Alright, now to start out for my base, I went ahead and took some pieces and twisted them up. I didn't even part. I used my fingers to make the parts because I didn't want it to look too neat. I wanted it to look a couple days old, and I wanted the pieces to just fall wherever I placed them. So I'm going to use the same hair to braid a piece onto the twist, and that's going to serve as a base. And then I'm just going to wrap that same hair around that base. But I'm going to leave them a little bit loose at the root. So just keep watching, you'll see exactly what I'm doing. Now, because this hair is a spring twist, it's making the butterfly way more easily. So I don't have to do anything extra. I just have to wrap. Alright, so now I'm just going to continue this process all over my head. When I get to the end of the twist, I'm just going to go up and down until I feel like no more hair in my hand. And that's going to pretty much seal the lock. I do have very detailed videos on how I do my butterfly locks, how I do my faux locks, and how I just seal the ends if this is too fast for you guys. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn your notifications on because I will be dropping videos once or twice every week, and you don't want to miss those uploads.
It's welcome, baby. It's welcome, baby.
All right, and there you guys have it. I love how springy and bouncy and soft and flowy this hair is. It feels like my natural hair, and it can fall to either side. I can pull it up, I can leave it down, I could wear it to the left, I can wear it to the right, I could put some twists in front. Like, it really does not matter. This hair is so soft and so easy to work with. So make sure you guys are checking out XTrend. I will leave all of their information in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell because I will be dropping videos every week and you don't want to miss those uploads. Until next time, bye.
It's welcome, baby. 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 It's welcome, baby.